Welcome to this episode of TechEyeSpy, where we're ready to launch into an in-depth analysis of BlackSky Technology Inc. Today, we'll orbit around a comprehensive SWOT analysis that looks at what's really propelling this company forward and what might be holding it back. We'll explore the strengths that give BlackSky a strategic edge, the weaknesses that need to be grounded, the opportunities lifting it toward new heights, and the threats that could bring turbulence to its trajectory. So, fasten your seatbelts, folks. This journey through the satellite intelligence world promises to be an insightful ride.
If you like the following content, please leave a tip at buymeacoffee.com/Whitley.
BlackSky Technology stands out as a dynamic player in the geospatial intelligence and satellite imagery sector, offering an impressive suite of products and services that set it apart from its competitors. The company focuses on delivering real-time geospatial intelligence through a unique combination of advanced satellite technology and AI-driven analytics. BlackSky's constellation of satellites captures high-resolution imagery, which is then processed by its proprietary Spectra AI software platform. This platform not only analyzes visual data, but also integrates additional sources like radar, radio frequency signals, environmental sensors, and IoT devices to create comprehensive intelligence solutions. This is not just technical jargon. Imagine a global monitoring system that can track changes in the world in near real time. Whether it's monitoring ports, border crossings, military assets, or even detecting changes in the environment, BlackSky's solutions give governments and commercial clients critical insights. This ability is particularly valuable in national security, disaster management, and economic monitoring. For example, BlackSky's services have been crucial in detecting key changes in areas of geopolitical interest, such as military movements or infrastructure developments across the globe. Financially, BlackSky has shown significant growth potential. In Q2 2024 alone, it reported a 29% year-over-year revenue increase, with much of this growth coming from government contracts. These include deals with agencies like the National Reconnaissance Office, NRO, and the U.S. Air Force Research Laboratory, which have extended their partnerships with BlackSky. The company's total contract value exceeded $1.3 billion, providing a robust foundation for future growth. Furthermore, BlackSky's Gen 3 satellites, set to launch by the end of 2024, will offer ultra-high-resolution imagery and sub-hourly revisit rates, making their services even more attractive to high-demand sectors, such as defense and intelligence. In terms of leadership, BlackSky is led by Brian O'Toole, a seasoned executive with extensive experience in both the space and technology sectors. His strategic vision has steered the company toward becoming a leader in the space-based intelligence industry. And under his leadership, BlackSky has successfully navigated both the technical and financial challenges of the space technology sector. O'Toole's focus on innovation, combined with the company's strong relationships with government clients, positions BlackSky as a trusted and reliable provider of critical intelligence. One of BlackSky's major strengths is its subscription-based model, which allows customers to have continuous access to satellite imagery, ensuring stable, recurring revenue. This model is especially appealing to defense and government agencies that require constant monitoring of sensitive areas. Additionally, BlackSky's commitment to cost management has allowed the company to improve its margins, even as it invests heavily in next-generation satellite technology. For investors, BlackSky presents a unique opportunity. The rising demand for geospatial intelligence due to growing global geopolitical tensions means that BlackSky's services are more relevant than ever. Moreover, with a strong pipeline of government contracts, cutting-edge technology, and a solid financial foundation, the company is well positioned to generate sustainable growth. Investors looking for exposure to the rapidly expanding space and defense sectors may find BlackSky to be a compelling option. BlackSky Technology Inc. Recent contract win, valued in the seven-figure range, reflects its expanding role in space domain awareness, SDA, The contract specifically involves providing non-Earth imaging, NEI services to help the client, likely a government or defense agency, enhance their ability to track and monitor space objects and their operating environments. This integration of BlackSky's Gen 2 satellite imagery with the customer's existing SDA assets strengthens the client's ability to predict and avoid collisions between objects in space, such as debris from fragmentation events or meteor storms, which are critical for maintaining space safety. The Space Situational Awareness (SSA) data delivered through this contract is essential for real-time space traffic management and space security operations. BlackSky's capability to deliver NEI services, particularly by using underutilized satellite capacity when passing over oceans or in eclipse, the dark side of Earth, allows the company to optimize its satellite fleet's performance. This contract showcases BlackSky's agility in leveraging its assets beyond Earth-focused intelligence and demonstrates its increasing value in space security and defense missions. BlackSky, while showing promising potential, is not without its weaknesses, particularly when looking at its financial stability, technological risks, and management execution. These areas need careful consideration for any investor looking to assess the overall strength of the company. Financial stability is a mixed picture for BlackSky. While the company has secured significant government contracts, its overall financial health has been less consistent. BlackSky has reported operating losses in recent quarters, with a net loss of $9.4 million in Q2 2024. This represents an improvement from previous years, but it still highlights that BlackSky is not yet profitable. The company is also managing a substantial debt load, and while it has successfully raised capital to fund its operations, these efforts often come at the cost of diluting shareholder value through public offerings or increased debt. Investors may question whether the company can reach profitability in the near future, particularly given the high costs associated with building and launching its satellite constellation. Another aspect that requires improvement is cost management. While BlackSky has shown some progress by reducing its cost of sales as a percentage of revenue, the company's operating expenses remain high. In particular, research and development (R&D) costs, as well as selling, general, and administrative expenses continue to strain the bottom line. Balancing the need for continued innovation with financial discipline is a delicate act that BlackSky has yet to fully master. When it comes to technology, while BlackSky's satellite constellation and Spectra AI platform are innovative, they are also expensive to develop and maintain. The company is in the process of launching its next-generation Gen 3 satellites, but this comes with inherent risks. Satellite deployment is capital-intensive and technologically challenging, with potential for delays, malfunctions, or even failures. BlackSky's ability to ensure smooth, uninterrupted operations is crucial, especially as it scales its satellite network. Moreover, the safety and reliability of its technology are under constant scrutiny. Any failure in its satellite network or AI processing could damage its reputation and lead to a loss of clients. Another critical factor is whether the company's technology is ethically sound. While BlackSky has focused on government contracts and national security applications, the company's ability to handle large amounts of surveillance data comes with privacy concerns. Investors who are sensitive to the ethical implications of geospatial intelligence, particularly in terms of surveillance and data collection, may be cautious about BlackSky's role in global monitoring. From a management perspective, while CEO Brian O'Toole has guided the company through significant milestones, the execution of its broader vision has sometimes faltered. BlackSky has missed or adjusted its financial targets on occasion, which may concern investors looking for consistent, reliable growth. For instance, the company's revenue forecasts have occasionally fallen short of investor expectations, leading to volatility in its stock price. Additionally, despite the leadership's emphasis on cost reduction, high operational expenses indicate that there's room for more aggressive cost-cutting measures or improved efficiency. The company's cash flow situation, although improved, remains fragile. While BlackSky has secured important contracts, the long timelines for realizing revenue from these contracts mean the company must carefully manage its liquidity. This has led to periods of cash burn, where the company's expenses exceed its incoming revenue. The expectation that BlackSky will achieve free cash flow by 2025 is promising, but far from guaranteed. In summary, BlackSky needs to strengthen its financial position, further control operational costs, and ensure that its technology is not only innovative but also robust and ethically sound. These areas will be critical to watch for investors considering BlackSky as a long-term investment, as they reflect some of the internal challenges that could impact the company's ability to scale and become sustainably profitable.
Discover unique gifts with Martian home prints on eBay. Looking for amazing gifts that are out of this world? Visit Martian Home Prints on eBay for a fantastic selection of unique items, including our rare and stylish flag socks. Whether you're shopping for a special occasion or just want to treat yourself, we have something for everyone. Our collection is perfect for those who appreciate creativity and uniqueness. Shop now at Martian Home Prints on eBay and find the perfect gift that stands out from the rest. Don't miss out on these incredible items. Just type Martian Home Prints or click the link in the description below and explore our store today.
BlackSky is positioned to take advantage of several significant opportunities driven by global trends, market demands, and the increasing need for advanced geospatial intelligence solutions. These opportunities reflect the growing importance of satellite imagery, real-time data analytics, and the heightened focus on national security, climate change, and commercial applications. One of the primary opportunities for BlackSky lies in the rising geopolitical tensions across the globe. With conflicts like the war in Ukraine, increased military activities in Asia, and concerns over national security across Europe and the Middle East, there is a heightened demand for real-time intelligence that can help governments monitor critical areas. BlackSky's capabilities in providing near-instantaneous satellite imagery and its focus on national security make it a key player in this space. As nations continue to ramp up defense spending, BlackSky stands to benefit from government contracts for surveillance and military intelligence. Another opportunity comes from the growing focus on climate change and environmental monitoring. Governments, NGOs, and commercial enterprises are increasingly looking to monitor and address environmental challenges such as deforestation, natural disasters, and urban development. BlackSky's satellite technology and analytics platform offer a scalable solution to track these changes in real time, providing actionable insights that can help inform policy decisions, emergency responses, and sustainability initiatives. This positions the company to attract clients outside the defense sector, expanding its market reach into sectors like environmental management and disaster response. The commercial sector also presents significant growth potential for BlackSky. Many industries are beginning to leverage geospatial intelligence to optimize operations and decision-making. For example, sectors such as agriculture, infrastructure development, and supply chain management are increasingly using satellite data to monitor assets and manage risks. BlackSky's ability to provide high-frequency updates and predictive analytics can be invaluable in these applications. This growth in the commercial use of satellite imagery represents a diversification opportunity for BlackSky, reducing its reliance on government contracts and expanding its revenue streams. In terms of investment, private equity and institutional investors are showing interest in companies like BlackSky, particularly because of the expanding role of space technology in the modern economy. As the global space economy continues to grow, investors are looking to capitalize on companies that are at the forefront of satellite technology and data analytics. BlackSky's upcoming Gen 3 satellites, which promise ultra-high-resolution imagery and faster revisit times, are seen as a key driver of future growth. The company's ability to scale its constellation and improve its service offerings is expected to attract more investors, as these satellites could unlock new revenue streams from higher value data and services. BlackSky's existing relationships with major government agencies also present significant long-term opportunities. The company has secured multi-year contracts with key players like the National Reconnaissance Office and the US Air Force. And these partnerships are likely to expand as the need for reliable space-based intelligence grows. Moreover, governments around the world are increasingly recognizing the importance of public-private partnerships in space technology, which could lead to more collaboration and higher spending on projects involving BlackSky's technology. Additionally, technological advancements in areas such as artificial intelligence, data analytics, and machine learning are opening new doors for BlackSky. By integrating AI with satellite imagery, BlackSky can offer more sophisticated, automated data analysis that provides real-time insights with minimal human intervention. This gives the company a competitive edge, particularly in industries that require continuous monitoring of critical infrastructure, transportation networks, and resource management. In summary, BlackSky is poised to capitalize on a range of global opportunities, from increased defense spending and geopolitical tensions to the growing demand for environmental monitoring and commercial applications. With its advanced technology, strong government relationships, and expansion into high-growth sectors, the company has substantial room for growth and innovation, attracting investors who are eager to benefit from the space and data analytics revolutions. BlackSky Technology faces several potential threats that could impact its long-term stability and growth, particularly in an industry where competition is fierce and operational risks are high. One significant challenge comes from intense competition in the geospatial intelligence and satellite imagery sector. Companies like Planet Labs, Maxar Technologies, Airbus Defence and Space, and Satellogic are formidable rivals. Planet Labs, for instance, operates a vast fleet of small satellites that capture daily imagery of the Earth, focusing heavily on sectors like agriculture, forestry, and land use monitoring. Maxar Technologies, with its long-established presence in high-resolution satellite imagery and data analytics, also presents a challenge with a more diverse set of offerings, particularly in the defense sector. These competitors have deep market penetration and established client relationships, which could make it difficult for BlackSky to differentiate itself or grow market share. Beyond competition, BlackSky is vulnerable to technological risks. Operating a satellite constellation is not only capital-intensive, but also technically complex. Any satellite failure or delay in the deployment of its next-generation Gen 3 satellites could severely disrupt its services. Moreover, rapid technological advancements in the satellite industry could render BlackSky's current systems obsolete, requiring significant reinvestment to stay competitive. While BlackSky is pushing ahead with AI and machine learning-driven analytics, these technologies are rapidly evolving, and maintaining a competitive edge requires constant innovation. Concern revolves around ethical issues related to the use of geospatial intelligence. BlackSky's technology is used by governments and defense organizations for surveillance and national security purposes, which may raise privacy concerns or create potential backlash from advocacy groups worried about the misuse of such powerful technology. As surveillance becomes more pervasive, there's a growing ethical debate around how such data is used, and whether it infringes on civil liberties. If public sentiment turns against these technologies, or if there are high-profile incidents involving misuse, BlackSky could face reputational damage that might deter potential clients or investors. In terms of economic stability, while BlackSky has benefited from increased government spending in defense and security, economic downturns could pose a risk. Much of BlackSky's revenue is derived from government contracts, which are subject to shifts in political priorities and budget allocations. If defense budgets are cut due to economic constraints, BlackSky could see a reduction in contract renewals or new opportunities. Furthermore, The space sector is known for its long sales cycles and high fixed costs, meaning any delay in receiving payments or a slowdown in new contracts could exacerbate cash flow challenges. Historically, companies in the space and defense industry have faced significant challenges due to over-reliance on government contracts. The most direct risk for BlackSky would be if it follows a path similar to other satellite or defense firms that expanded too rapidly or failed to diversify sufficiently, leaving them exposed to policy changes. Managing this dependency while expanding its commercial client base is essential for BlackSky's long-term stability. In conclusion, BlackSky's primary threats stem from its competitive environment, the technological risks inherent in its industry, ethical concerns about surveillance, and economic fluctuations that could affect its main revenue sources. Investors should consider how well the company can navigate these challenges while continuing to grow and innovate. In conclusion, BlackSky Technology offers an exciting mix of cutting-edge satellite innovation and real-time geospatial intelligence, positioning itself as a serious player in the rapidly growing space sector. With its advanced AI-driven analytics and subscription-based business model, BlackSky is addressing crucial needs in national security, environmental monitoring, and commercial intelligence. Its strong relationships with major government agencies, paired with upcoming next-gen satellite launches, provide a solid foundation for future growth. However, the company is not without its challenges. Financial instability, the high risks associated with satellite operations, intense competition from well-established rivals like Maxar and Planet Labs, and ethical concerns surrounding surveillance data all present hurdles that BlackSky must navigate carefully. Despite these obstacles, the company is brimming with opportunities as global demand for satellite imagery and real-time intelligence grows. For potential investors, BlackSky represents a high-risk, high-reward proposition. If the company can overcome its financial hurdles, continue innovating, and maintain its government contracts while expanding into commercial sectors, it could become a dominant force in the geospatial intelligence market. However, caution is advised. Satellite launches can be delayed, competition is fierce, and public sentiment around privacy issues could shift dramatically. But for those willing to bet on the future of space-based intelligence, BlackSky could just be the next star to watch. And that's a wrap on this episode of TechEyeSpy. If you're craving more insights, don't forget to check out the podcast version for a deeper dive into today's analysis. For those on the go, keep an eye out for our bite-sized episodes breaking down each of the 4 components of the SWOT analysis. Head over to tech-eye-spy.com for more content, updates, and exclusive behind the scenes. And a big thanks to our eBay sponsor, Martian Home Prints, where you can grab a pair of national flag socks, because nothing says style like a touch of patriotism on your feet. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed.
Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. If you enjoyed my content, please support this channel by visiting buymeacoffee.com/Whitley or scan the QR code to leave a tip.